Thank God. Trauma deceitful and beauty is vain. A woman who fit a little sure be praised. Don't profit a man for the whole world to gain. In the process, you losing your soul to the game. My brother would never do me like he came. That little got the viddies like it's canes. They done let the birdie out the cave. Now that birdie turned into a jet. Pure out your step. Enemy looking for something to sweet. This is direct. Better elect. Jesus and Nazareth to take the lead. Ready on set. Don't really bet. But when I do, I'ma bet on the king. I got the will even when it's on E. I got the will even when it's a lease. This is good news. This is my groove. This is the tape that been way overdue. This is the truth. This is the roof. Waves in the holy water like a pool. Follow the rules. Follow the clues. Follow the one who pay all of our dues. Got on the side, no way we can lose. Something like Jordan and Carolina Blues. Love over hate. Real over fake. Praying for everything.
Yo, what's up, boys?
But I got taste. Hits in my catalog. One of them grace. Head of my place. High escape. Y'all thought he died. We made a mistake. Got on the side. We walking on lake.
I'm the first, dude. If you think about it. Huh?
God is always answer when I knock. God only protect me when he block. God let me up every time I drop. God ain't switching up, he is my rock. God is always answer when I knock. God only protect me when he block. God let me up every time I drop. God ain't switching up, he is my rock. First recording profess, rush is short, it's no stress. Less is all of a sudden, I've been coming obsessed. I've been pouring my best, where it's coming from. Lord, give me my breath, Lord, give me my strength. Lord, give me my Lord, gun finesse. Lord, gun impress. Always overcome, always breaking through locks. Chains falling like blocks. Dominoes, where credits do get props. Coming through, can't stop. Vomino, so they'll running through slots. Wholesale, whole lot. All it goes, the well filled to the top. The seal may pop, overflow.
I mean, why are you lying, bro? You know you're not sick. Don't lie to us, dude. You don't want to hang out, bro?
None of this challenging myself and my wit. The scale may tip, balancing the L's and compliments, cause it all makes sense.
What's up, boys?
Always answer when I knock.
Yeah. God only protect me when he block.
God let me up every time I drop.
Yeah.
God ain't
So today we're doing some more combat.
God is always answer when
I know we got a bit of cringe, but you gotta wake up with some Jesus music, guys. I'm just saying. All right, you gotta wake up with a Jesus music. But yeah, let's put something more devloggy. Sorry. How's everybody doing today? I'm a little sick. Game synthwave. I don't know. Let's do it. Let's look up something, boys. Hey, your hat's... Dude, my hat is on my head, bro. Why are you memeing on me? Or you know what, guys? Whatever. Don't make me do this all day. I can make this a stream all day. Alright? Alright? Calm down. We gotta find some good, like, synthwave music. We've been listening to the same stuff over and over. And, like, what am I looking at? Block ad. I don't want to see this stuff, right? Oh, dude, they got 16-bit wave, bro. Yeah, Aox is Dandos. By the way, shout out to everybody. Much love to you guys. Chase, up in the place. We got Aox, a.k.a. Dandos, with the smooth animations. You know what? I'm going to rate him, man, for Roblox. I'm going to give him a solid 10. Like an 8, somewhere like 8 or 10. You're in the high... Was it Epsilon? Excalon? I don't know the word. Aox says, it's good, but I just working on my game. And Raleigh, I show you outfit footage. Bro, it's the only server of Judah and friends, so thanks all for the support. Yeah, no problem, man.
Shape your ideas.
I don't know why you had to make me die in the game, dude. That's all I'm going to say. I want to live.
You'll quickly see what to do next. Align your team on a shared strategy. Document and improve your organization. Spot problems, make progress.
Of course. Of course. You gotta actually turn this down a bit. I'm gonna mute the desktop audio because it does not let you control the volume, boys. All right, guys. So yesterday we got the target system in. It's super like simple, right? We're not taking into consideration other enemies on screen. We're just taking into consideration one at the moment, right? So with that being said, oh yeah, it's because there's no enemies. There's no enemies. I gotta fix that too. Dude, Bueno says, Raleigh went to the hospital 2 days ago and they touched my butt. And I got sick by some kids. Are you serious, bro? They done did this to you? Did you file a complaint? Did you tell them, no, sir? That's what I said. But yeah, we got the target system in. As you guys can clearly see with your big, beautiful eyeballs, you can see we got ourselves a target system. And now all it's about is getting Judah to launch to this guy, shooting us up in the air, so on and so forth. It took 8 hours for them to do that? I don't know what to say, man. They must not have been too enthusiastic about doing it either, bro. They must have been like, man, I don't want to do this. By the way, guys, make sure to like the video. It is crucial, bros. Actually, I'm going to grab something really quick. Oh, wait. Nope. This has been me, guys. This has been me at the boxing gym, yo. Right? Like, I'm at the boxing gym. Like, imagine this song, and I'm just like, it's like the training sessions. I'm like doing sit-ups, and I'm like, ah! I'm doing push-ups, dude. Pull up, bro. I'm like fighting like 3 guys at once and dodging them. I'm like, come in. Right? Landing every shot clean. Hitting the combos, right? Coming up with the 1-2, 1-2. Then we switch up to the 3-4. Back to the 1-2. The 3-4. It took 8 hours. Help us in Sweden. I'll send aid right now. Wait, hold up. Hold up. Yeah? So this is, yeah, you know who it is, man. Yeah, I'm just, I'm calling in because, apparently there's some help needed in Sweden. We got some doctors out here making people wait 8 hours just to touch their gonitos. Yeah, we're gonna need you guys to stop doing that. And, if you're gonna do it ASAP, right? Okay, yeah, thank you. I got you, Buenos. I just called them. They're sending assistance immediately. Hey guys, I do my best to learn on Unreal Engine. Yeah, best man on world is Raleigh, dude. Yeah. Well, Christ is he's the best man in the world, but I'm like the second best. But it's fine, okay? And one of him is Buenos and Potato. Thinking about Potato makes me hungry, so I guess I say my name right and I then all of you for everything you do. Yeah, man, no problem. I'm assuming you want to thank us for all that we do. Man, just keep doing what you do, bro. Keep making the animations. Keep sending them. You know? Yes, I was gone. I'm Potato. Yes, please help us. I agree, Chase Lee. Me, oh, dude, obviously I'm the cooler one, okay, man? I mean, look at my freaking, my half a mustache, okay? Look at this half a mustache, bro. You can't beat that, dude. Just calm down, Buenos. All right? You can't beat it. You can't top it. You can't crop it and get the half mustache, but that's not the point. All right, guys? The point is that I'm pretty cool, okay? Chase over Buenos? Dude, you guys, first of all right, you're not even over anyone, Chase, because you're always on the run, dude. How are you going to be? You got to stay in one position, okay? Aox says, is alpha, I don't know if I can publish game or not. Man, just work on your game and all that stuff will fall in line. Just work on it, work on it, work on it. Share it, show it. Publisher will hit you up if they're interested. Eventually, you can hit up publishers once you have a more sound and solid, viable product to showcase to them. If anything, you publish it yourself. But that means you got to handle all the marketing, advertising, all that hoo-ha. I'm sorry, guys. I'm just going to, it's quick. It's simple. It's not like the best advice ever, right? I'm not going to give you the deets. I give you like the broad spectrum. Raleigh, I don't want to mean, but people in my class have more mustache than you. Dude, that's because I keep shaving it, bro. Right? Like, I keep it in this form for a reason. I don't want to intimidate people, right? Like, imagine how the doc would feel if I came in here with a freaking... With just a musk of stash, dude. Just hanging, dripping. Right? I don't want to intimidate no one, okay? I want everyone to feel at peace with themselves and who they are. Like, when I did have it grown out, though, I won't lie, bros. I'd go like this. I'd fight people. I'd be like throwing punches. And then they'd be all calm. And I'd be like, whoosh, whoosh. I'd get them with the whip, Got the metal tip on the mustache. Hit them quick. But you got to have them. Yeah, but I just said, dude, I trim it, bro. I trim it, okay? Because I want to keep it like this so people aren't intimidated, right? We've already been over this, dude. I am not bald, bro. I'm balding. That's a big difference, okay? That's a big difference, Chase Lee. Yeah, thanks. Raleigh gang. Raleigh gang, Raleigh gang. With Buenos. And who's potatoes? Sorry for saying potato. Well, potatoes are delicious. And one of them is Chase Lee. It's kind of lame. Oh, name of China. And that's all I want to say. He's a Chinaman in Scotland. Ooh, that's got a ring to it, don't it? Chinaman in Scotland. Yes, I have hair, dude. Hey, it's Owl in the Brush. Everybody say, hey, Owl. How are you doing? We're playing some new music today, boys. Let me know if you like it. If you like it. Raleigh, it's okay. Your hair is receding. I know, right? It's not like I'm denying it or anything by wearing a hat. Right? It's not like I'm hat fishing you guys. Drawing you into this false sense of reality. That's not what I'm doing. Okay? Hey, man, I have to go eat. It's been like 5 hours, and I go eat, and I come back. All right? That sounds like a good reason to not be here, guys. Eating, hanging out with family, taking care of yourself. Right? Reading the Bible. That's another good reason. That's another good reason. I gotta start taking this outside and beating people with it. How dare you! The Lord knows you're sinning! Start coming out. You better dye that hair back, missy. You better dye that hair back and put on a dress. Tired of seeing it. Bueno, Raleigh, I thought you had lost all your hair. Yeah, I shave it, right? I used to shave it just real quick, Hair is a pain in the butt to take care of, right? And sometimes it's hard to take care of yourself in the morning when you're telling your kid, like, hey, you gotta brush your teeth. And, they're like, no, I don't want to brush. And you're like, brush your teeth. You want to, dude? If we make 1,000 followers, I will shave my head. I will shave my head. You Bible, I am a Bible thumper. Yeah, literally. Blah, blah. The Lord knows what you're doing. He sees it all. Start. Just for sin, some crazy guy beat by a balding fat white man. Someone please send help immediately. Someone help us. We're scared. We're all scared. He's got a Bible. He's untouchable. Everything we shoot at him bounces straight back. Dude. I jammed to this jam, bro. Shave the top, dude. Just go. But that's the thing. I can't stop there, bro. I'd have to have like really long hair and then just shave the top. Just shave the top and go like this, bro. And spin so fast it starts becoming like a saw blade, dude. And then like what I could do is I could like put little tips at the bottom, right? Learn how to control the whip. And at the bottom of the tips are Bible verses. So anytime I'm like, someone needs to feel this verse more than they need to hear it, I hit them with that strand, right? No one would be able to stop me, bro. I'd be like the next, I'd be like the first real life comic book hero. You know, there was actually something like that I read a long time ago. Actual superheroes. There's like a dude that ran around in a suit. Real life superheroes. You got Mr. Extreme, dude. These guys run around. Phoenix Jones, bro. I'm telling you, man. There was this guy when I was working at Toys R Us forever ago. He was trying to get me to be his Robin, dude. He was like, I'm fighting the underground cults. It was crazy. I was like, I'm good. I just didn't see my life turning. That'd have been dope, though. I could have live streamed that, man. I'd be insta famous. Yeah, big rip to Toys R Us. Saw blade, soul blade, saw. You don't want to see Saul use the saw to unhinge your jaw. Should my first game be first person? I thought you were working on a game, bro. You already sent me the thingamabob. You sent me the video, duty. Yeah, big rip to Toys R Us. I'm tired of them telling me to update stuff. Update Rocket League. It looks better if you have it. Well, then have it in first person, man. That's what iteration is all about. But try to stick to a plan. That's something you need to understand. Okay? But yeah, as you all can see, we have ourselves, you know, we got our target going on, right? Look, you right there. He's a target. What, Mr. Slithion? Mr. Reptile? But, yeah, I gotta, yeah. Yeah. By the way, guys, if you like the stream, subscribe to the channel. 1,000 subs, I shave my head. That's what you guys like seeing, you know. Dear Lord, may today be a prosperous day in your name. May no shame fall upon us. So how are you doing, Al? What are you working on today, bro? I know you're cooking something in the kitchen. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this broke This is my lunge so far, guys. This is how inspired I've been to do animation. Right? This is how inspired I've been. It's been difficult, man. Some days you just gotta wake up and say, today's the day that I'm gonna do stuff and not really feel inspiration for it. He's dancing in the sky, dude. Yeah! Low key, I kind of like that, chat. I kind of like that right there. I'm not gonna lie. Location, rotation. Yeah, location, rotation. Hey, no, we want both toes, okay? We want both toes. He's dancing in the sky with Christ. Maybe we do all channels there and we flip it like this, right? And then we bring this in the middle, right? I mean, this is... my thing is, like, do I even make this exceptional? We already got this lump back here. I mean, and look at this. Look at poor Judah, dude. His body was not made to work like this. And I just do not have the patience for vertex painting. It's just not... it's not in me. It's not in it. It isn't in me, guys. I'll be real with you. Woo! Honestly, in the future, I need to actually rig this, right? All of this detail needs to get rigged. That way we don't have issues like this. Honestly, I could still make it so the vertex paint doesn't or isn't affected by by that. But it's like, do we really care? We're gonna be this far away. We're not gonna see it. What? But I saw what you did there. Ow. You only need to do it once, right? I mean, yeah, but I'm feeling drained, guys. I need to call on God's energy. Christ, Lord, please send me energy to do this. And inspiration. Ooh, that's crazy, guys. I felt it. I felt the cool sensation travel down my finger tippies and into my forearms, biceps, shoulders, and into my core. Let's go. No, I'm not gonna rhyme with gore. By the way, somebody clip me talking about smacking people with the Bible. Just come at people. He's a Bible thumper. The Bible thumper. That's a good action hero name, man. We gotta make that a comic book, Al. Did you read your Bible today? No! Oh! Dude, one of the animals got to this. It looks like they chewed on it, bro. Freaking Pip. My cat, bro. Beep, 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 beep. Honestly, I kind of want to put this on a longer loop so it like switches. There's like this. I feel like that have been done already. You'd think, dude, but no, I don't think so. The Bible thumper, dude. Yeah, see? Oh, look. An aggressive, zealous advocate of the Christian fundamentalism. Oh! Oh no, the Bible, it's so scary. Oh! Why did I... Because, you know... I didn't chew on it. The Lord is filling me with the Bible. And, you know, sometimes teething, okay? Teething. I mean, look it up. Look it up, Al. Imagine it's the best action hero ever. He's like the Dark Knight. But after he beats up the criminals, he reads the Bible to them and fills them with the Holy Spirit. Imagine, dude, that'd be so dope. People would love that, I'm telling you right now. I feel like there's too much movement. Right? There's too much movement. And it would be better if we had like hair strands with like rigged hair strands. Hey, it's safe. Why is it whenever you enter, I don't feel safe? You want me to point at you, dude? Huh? You want me to point at you, bro? Is this what you like to see? Is this what you guys like, huh? You like getting pointed at, dude? Look at you. Look at it. I gotta run now. Yeah, man, you don't want to get licked. I feel like the head's gotta be like bumping, you know? He's gotta be like, ooh, you feel those cracks, dude? I did. Yeah, man, you never know. I got it. Yo, Adam's a comic book artist too, man. Maybe I hook you guys up, connect you together, get the network flowing. It's time that we take back the hemisphere. That we take back what is rightfully ours. By Bible thumping. The Bible thumper, dude. He beats people up and then reads the Bible to them afterwards. I can just see some guy who's like an atheist come in here to make fun of me, and then he sees this and he gets all scared. Oh, dude, they're real. They're gonna get us, dude. I'm so scared. They're like sitting there in their sleep looking at, oh, no, the Christian agenda. Hiding themselves, dude. They're just scared, dude, looking up at night. Oh, they want us to read the Bible now. I want to read the Bible. So scary. Now that looks way too weird. That looks way too much. Granted, even after this is finished, it's probably going to be like, eh. Because I'm not like, obviously I don't animate every day. But I feel like even this, like there's just too much going on. I'm trying to get this like floating sensation, you know? But I'm also trying to get this weight that's carrying through to his like, you know, his chest. He's just like, boom, right? He's like gonna push someone or grab them really hard. You're done, dude? You're done with my shenanigans? Dude, don't tell Al to go back in the brush. We like Owl. He can stay outside of the brush all he wants. All you want, Al. Just stay out all day. Never go back in the brush. Feel the brush, Luke. You can feel it in everything. So do you got some expensive brushes that you paint with, Al, or what? What's going on, man? What are you brushing with? What are you whipping up in the kitchen? I feel like maybe the hands. It's the hands. They're going way too much, you know? But I really think to get this airy feeling, we're going to need like I don't know what we're going to need. I'll be real with you, chat. I need to watch some animation videos, but I'm too busy, you know, streaming all day, lounging around. Ta 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 ta. Buenos esteta. Ta 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 ta. It's like the reverse of ay 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 ay. But yeah, man, Al, you should start working on the Bible thumper, dude. Watercolor takes a while, dude. It does take a while, I hear. I've never done watercolor, but I heard it's a very elegant process. Take your brush. That's not my brush. That's my brush. That's my brush, bro. What do you mean, dude? Dab. Dab. Ow. Dab. By the way, guys, make sure to click the sub button. Yeah, you know what it is? Is it the tail now? The tail's like, wait. Look at that. I'm just trying to get this. I think what it is I'm trying to get it too fast. But it's like going to be so quick. It's like, how far can we really push this? You know, this is essentially just a loop that we're going to play until we hit the character. Then we're going to launch Judah off of him. Right? I kind of want to get this like, maybe we get this effect here, like where the body is kind of like, it's kind of like, you know, lumping. Ooh, that don't work. That don't work at all. Can I see Judah's tail hit his face? I don't think that's possible, bro. Wow! 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 You happy, dude? Click the sub button. I kind of want to get this bendiness, like this, I don't know how to explain it. Maybe it's easier here, right? Like, because you can get this, but this lower half just does not want to move. It does not want to move, chat. It's me. And I'm already sub, well, then unsub and sub again, dude. We're trying to get to 500. Bro. God. This is ridiculous. We're at 286. We're at 287 yesterday, which means one of you guys unsubbed. I'm looking at you, dude. The Bible Thumper's coming. The Bible Thumper's coming for you. He comes at night. Can I see Judas? No, because that would take more than just me going like this. Okay? 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 I mean, that's a little bit better. Right? Like that little... he's got that little, like... That little flick. Flick, 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 flick. By the way, guys, it is going to be a short stream today. You know why? Because I got to start working on that. I got to start working on the game development, the game dev log thing. Hey, dude, Chase Lee, let's go. Just subbed again, bro. Okay, you caught me. I hardly subbed to anyone on this count. There you go. Dude, out in the brush. I love you. Now let's get to work on the Bible Thumper, right? Because that's a really good idea. I think when we take the world by storm. I think the Batman's even scared of the Bible Thumper. You mean even Superman? Let's be real with it, dude. There's a radiation from the Bible that scares him at his core. It's like kryptonite. He's like, no! No! Start the tumping. Or damn. Damn. Take your brushes of thanks. Dude, don't make me brush your hair, Safe. We all know you don't brush it, bro. And your teeth. I better see you brushing them teeth, dude. Everyone, chat. Tell this guy to brush his teeth. Tell him to brush his teeth, man. Get him that mouthwash. We need to get this guy some mouthwash. Also, by the way, guys, if you haven't already, join the Discord, right? Click the link in the description of this video. And if you're on Twitter, go to my pinned tweet. And then go ahead and click that link. All right. I do actually brush my teeth. All right, man. Imagining brushing your teeth is not the same as brushing your teeth. And I think everyone here can agree when I say that. I'm just saying. Right? You know that whole rub-a-dub-dub in the tub? Well, you got to scrub-a-dub-dub in the sink more than you think, right? 2 times a day. Go. Well, that didn't look right. But you... So, we, brush our teeth, but I don't have to because I'm an owl. That is right. You got a beak, bro. You got to brush your beak. With a twig or something. I don't know what owls use to brush their beak. Maybe they use their feathers. That's why they're always like this and stuff. They're trying to look all smexy for the other owl ladies. They're like, caw, caw, oh, they sharpen their beaks, huh? Who would have known? They sharpen their beaks by chewing on cheeks. Yeah, I know they have beaks, Safe. Do I look stupid to you guys? Look at Chase Lee. He's over. Interesting. Interesting. He's just like, interesting. This guy, man. You guys just don't know how cool I am. Let's be real, dude. Have you seen me boxing, dude? It's like the funniest thing you've ever seen. I got these long arms. I'm like throwing them. And it takes like 5 years because my arms are so long. I'm like, Mrah, mrah. And then they make me do the frog hops, bro. My legs still feel Monday's workout. We'll just say that much. BOXING. Is that good for you, mister? Because it is for me. It is for me. Now let's export this bad boy and get him into the thingamabobber. Oh boy. Oh! Oh no! Where's little Judah? Haha! You don't have teeth? What are you, grandpa? You grandpa, dude? Because I got some things to say about grandpa, bro. I love you, grandpa. I love you. I love Grandpa. I love Grandpa. Fabula. It's Fabula. Everybody say, what's up, Fabula? Fabula, make sure to tell Safe to brush his teeth because he don't brush them, dude. He don't brush them. He said it in chat. Your grandpa, dude? You're everyone's grandpa? Do you have the grandpa voice? Are you like, hello, everybody. How's it going? That one comedian that's just like, how old people can get away with stuff. Grandpa, that's on a train. Grandpa, why'd you give me a turd for Christmas? A turd? I thought it was a train set. I thought it was a train set. Hello, everybody. It's Grandpa. Smoking. I think I saved it, so I can go to Unreal Engine. Any chance you can dance. Everyone dance. Just like this. Just like this, guys. This is the new dance. Hoo-hoo! Hoo-hoo! Thank you. I love you too. I love you guys too. Grandpa Raleigh. One day, man, I'll get there. And I'll be a funny grandpa. Because I'm going to do that. I thought it was a train set. Grandpa, you say that every year. Stop giving me turds. It's weird. I'm sorry, Nicholas. I really did think it was a train set. You said that last year about the action figure. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Dub! Dub! Left, right. All right, we got to pull these things in, guys. Enough shenanigans, okay? You guys need to calm down, all right? I'm trying to think here. Duh. Gotta inch my ear. Oh, no. Oh, my goodness gracious me. I'm going to have to get rid of all the old Judas stuff. All right, everybody, I want to say thank you to Judah here. Right, you guys remember this, Judah? You guys remember this guy? Oh, look at his eyes. You guys remember this guy? Remember him? Everyone say bye, Judah. We'll see you again one day in the future, little man. But for now, we got to clear some space. We need to clear some space, boys. We need to clear some space. I like how Safe isn't in here anymore. He's like, no one tells me to brush my teeth. You're the real dancer? What do you do, the maraca? Wait, is anyone Asian? Judah spinning. Dude, I have to do the new Judah spinning video. Yeah. Judah says bye, guys. He'll see you again in the future in Line of Judah. Hey, man, I come back. Sweet. Everyone say welcome back, Ox. Thank you for coming back. How was the meal? Was it delicious? What did you have on your dishes? Was it fishes or beef? I must know. My hunger needs some form of relief. As you all know, I cannot eat until 1, and I'll be quite honest, it's not really fun. Welcome back, Aox. The old one? Oh yeah, you want to see it, dude? You guys want to see the best content that you have ever witnessed in your entire life? Check it out. Check it out right here. Check it out. Check it out. You guys are about to be blown away with this, dude. This is some good stuff. Right, check it out. Right here. This is some good stuff, boys. If you haven't gone and liked this video, by the way, if you haven't liked this video, yeah, I just like my video. I'm shameless like that, okay? I don't care. I will like my own videos, dude. If no one's going to support you, you got to support yourself. Click your videos. Click the like on your videos, and while you're at it, come over here, subscribe to the channel, and like every video, and comment on everything. How I never turn the comments. Comments are turned off. How are these comments turned off? Look, dude, look at this. Oh, hold on, let me put it on repeat. Bro, this is my idea of like good content. Back in the day, I was like, man, they're gonna love this. They're about to see some real animations. Dude, look at that, bro. Judah's self-likable, yeah. Hey, yo, thank you, Fabula. Everyone, you know, it's turned off because you have it on made for kids. Oh, true, huh? I was thinking that when I was looking at it. But yeah, look at Judah, dude. Look at how... Look at his hands. He's like, I'm walking, brother. I think this goes hard with this song, dude. Hey, yo, Chase Lee subbing again. Let's go. Let's go. Chase Lee up in the B. We love the resubs. They're always fun. He looks so human-like. I know. There was a lot of iterations on Judah, guys. There was a lot of iterations. Like, if you haven't checked out the old devlog videos, make sure to go do that. But just as like a quick glimpse of where we were and where we are now. The progress is immaculate. Of course, there's still more progress to go, more things to fix, more things to polish, tighten. Let me find it for you guys. Sorry. This is the most, this one I'm proud the most of. Right? I see it. Does that mean I'm a kid? I mean, child-minded, man. Childlike. But yeah, yo, check it out. This was the first Judah. He looks like a freaking crackhead Chester Cheetos. Chester Cheetah. Freaking black market brand. We went from that, right? We went from that to this guy, as you see. Like the head, did not like the body. I mean, the body was weird. I'll be real with you guys. Right? Had some ear animations. Brings a lot of life to the character. But looks kind of weird. Looks really weird, right? Because I'd never done character modeling before. Then we started sculpting this guy. Look at those fingers, dude. Aren't those just some fingers you'd love to have touching your face? It's just like, hey. He looks gorgeous. Thank you. Crazy Taxi, Judah. Yeah, he's crazy looking, bro. I'll tell you one thing. Then we get to this guy. And look at his eyeballs. I mean, he looks a lot better. Granted, right? Looks a whole lot better. But look at those eyeballs, dude. I really like this on him. But it looked like too much. It looked like too much. It was too much. So, we upgraded, boys. I think, actually, let me show you this one. But yeah, you'll see his eyes are very much like they're just staring at your soul. And then we landed on this bad boy. This guy right here. Which is, I like it. I still like it. Hands are a little big. That's fine. I wanted to go for like this big musky hands, but I didn't know how to do them yet. I really like the feet. I like the style. You know, and this was him with some toon shading. Look at his little sad tail there, bouncing on the ground. I remember those days. Snake. Hey. Emo Redneck Judah. Dude. Hey, everybody, how's it going down there? The Emo Redneck Judah. Redneck Emo Judah. Hey there, mister. I don't respect the way you called him here a redneck. We don't do that around here. See, around here, we drink beers. We stay clear from people who are mean like you. I was about to make a bad rhyme. I'm sorry, guys. But, you know, had to stay clear from it. Just saying. Right. So that was my very first video. I did have another video a long time ago. This is like the first time. What is this? When did I release this? This is years ago. August 20th, 2017. It's okay. I drink water. I want some water. Can you get me some water, bro? It's 1 minute and 16 seconds. All right, we gotta see what I made years ago, chat. Yo, look how. Yeah. This is when I used to work on Unity, man. 2017. Now, this isn't a random mesh generator. We're not randomly generating meshes. This was me when I first started learning all about, like, game dev. You know? It was more like, you know, procedural generation, procedurally generating, you know, a set of models. We had the main menu figured out. This game was going to go hard, man. It had a lot of potential. We started setting up for biomes. I had like a couple of people working on me with this. Man, I did pretty good, some pretty good cut edits with the music. I'm not gonna lie. Kickstart, dude. December 8th, 2017, bro. That was a long time ago. That was just when I started learning how to game develop. Right? You just got to jump into it, guys. You just got to jump into it. Start doing it. Have fun with it, too. And don't give up on projects. My biggest advice, don't give up on projects. Because everything that you need to learn, you're going to learn working on that project, working through that project. And if you quit your projects, that's what you're going to learn to do. You're going to learn to quit when things get too rough. Right? Interesting. I'll be back in a bit. He's writing down some stuff. He did this in 2017. Yeah, I mean, start writing stuff down for Bible Thumper. Right? The Bible Thumper. But yeah, that was the very first game that I was working on. I actually worked on several others before that. Judah and Friends. Or not Judah and Friends, Lino Judah, this is basically a remake of that. Interesting is my word, Owl. Well, Owl is rather interesting. I'm just saying. Have you talked to the guy? Yeah. But yeah, guys, just keep pursuing that game that you dream of making. You know, if you don't, that's how your ambition is slowly going to die. There's going to be times where things... Okay, can everyone stop paying attention to Chase Lee and start paying attention to me? Is Chase Lee streaming, dude? I don't see him. Just saying. All right. All right, now, everybody, just chillax. Chillax. I get it. You know, I was high stress. I didn't mean to yell at everyone. I'm sorry, Chase. You know, That's how I get sometimes. You already know, man. I just start screaming and yelling and slamming things. Nah, I like the... That's my attention you're trying to take. How do we time them out, guys? Put user in timeout on YouTube. Yeah. No, you're not, dude. He's like a little leprechaun. But yeah, today we are going to work on... So, let's get the Trello open, boys. Yeah, I get those every once in a while. Target UI system. You know, we're going to have to add a little bit more to this because we have the target UI system in. We just haven't set it up for multiple enemies, right? It's currently one enemy at the moment. And it gets the very last person of the index. It doesn't switch depending on the distance between the player and the enemy. So, you know, refactor in distance calculations, right? Switch between also with the prowl attack, we're going to want a delay or a cooldown, right? We're going to want a cooldown. We're going to want a cooldown. Cool down. Right? We want to cool down. We don't want people running around like little lions all the time. Caterpillar mustache. Make sure to like the stream, guys. We only got 5 likes, boys. We got 7 people in here. What's going on? You 2 people? I'm looking at you. Click the like button, man. You're hurting my feelings. You're making me sad on the inside. Getting me all excited and hyper. We don't need that today. We need to be completely concentrated for what we're about to pursue, what we're about to do. Oh, and if you're feeling generous, click the sub button, guys. And I'm vibing hard to this song right now. What is this song? What is this song, bro? What is this song? What is this from, dude? 51. The Streets of Rage, dude. That's what this has to be. But this slaps, dude. This slaps. Interesting. Interesting. So people are mostly like they're comfortable with this. Right? They're like interesting. But imagine if I'm like interesting. Interesting. That feels weird, don't it? That feels weird, don't it? Whenever you want to slightly annoy someone, do that. When they're talking, interesting. Just play with people a little bit, you know? Mess with their emotions. Hey, look what's finally working today. So, the interesting thing we're going to have to do is we're going to have to store a reference and we can get rid of all this. Keep this, keep this. Where is the main character H? Bam, bam. And we're going to have to store a reference. This is gonna be a no, actually, this is gonna be, sorry guys, let me see what this is actually. Raleigh, go Mega Ultra Work Mode. Work mode! It's in! We're typing. It's all coded in. Why isn't it working? All right, that was my ultra work mode. Was that good? Did I do good, guys? I'm not even on the screen. He's typing so fast, he's not on the screen. Cueing the stuff where the thing's playing and they're tripling down. What's this? I pressed the wrong button. Oh no. All right, we're not getting anything done. Faster! Faster! Yeah, he is pretty fast though. Have you seen him? That dude codes faster than Elon, bro. Faster than freaking, I was gonna say Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill. I can't forget I forgot the guy who made Microsoft. Yeah, you're faster. Thinks he's so cool because he's faster, chat. Because he's faster. So in here, when we release, you got a funny video? Yeah, send the video, man. As long as it's got it's you know, family friendly. That's all that we care about. I want it to be as Disney as possible. I want Mickey Mouse in there saying, "Oh boy, hey, welcome to my stream." And then I want Elmo to be like, "Oh, Emma, hey there, Mickey. How's it going?" And then, you know, Mickey's gonna be like, "What the heck are you doing in here? This is my world. You better see yourself out immediately or we're gonna have a problem." And then Elmo's gonna be like, "Elmo thinks you need to calm down before Elmo does some things you don't want to see." What am I on right now, dude? What is going on with me? What are you doing to me, Chase? Chase, what are you doing to me, bro? No one clip that, okay? We don't know. We don't want them to know. We're very, very intellectual type here, okay? We're definitely making games and not having fun while we're doing it, right? We're just, oh man, okay, I'm gonna send the thing right in here. We're gonna have to pass a reference. And then you got the other typer like, oh, well, I believe that as a mechanic, the rule sets are pretty much set in stone. Oh, look at me, I'm a fancy little artist. I paint all the time and I do pixel art. And then you got the guy who thinks he's a bro and he's like, "Hey there, bro, I got all the best wisdom in the planet. Look at me, ha ha." I'm just a dumb guy who sits here and codes, right? You send it? Is it a video of me? Better not be a video of me. Oh, dude! Bro! My man, dude. All right, guys. Bill Nye, if you freaking get mad, Disney. I can't. It says Disney Presents. It says Wait. Can you guys hear this? Yeah, I can't play it or else Disney will hit me up and be like, then I'll have to talk with Mickey and he'll be like, "Do we have a problem? Good, I thought we had a freaking problem. Hey, Minnie, get over here. Let's go home." Slow is smooth. Smooth is fast. Smooth as butter. I would watch the whole video, man, but I don't want freaking Walt Disney standing outside my house looking at me strange, okay? It's quite as simple as that. I don't want him outside here looking at me like, that's got my name on it, boy. But yeah, in here we're gonna have to go ahead. We're gonna have to pass a reference. I do believe that we just have we're not gonna put it as the base. We're gonna say my enemy character, right? We're gonna add the include. We're gonna say targeted enemy, right? Oh, it's not. It can be in the garbage, right? What if I want that? Right? What if I want that? But in public, this is protected. So in public, we're going to have to make a couple of functions. We're going to have to be set target reference. Right? We're going to have to generate a definition. Hey, Buenos is back. Why'd you leave, Buenos? Fabula, what are you up to recently, man? You haven't been hitting me up about your projects. I know you want to work on like 5 million of them, bro. So you need to send me all of them so I can tell you how great you're doing, man. We're supposed to push each other, to inspire one another, to... Yeah, that's pretty much it. Buenos, my brother. This is like one of those drive-in songs where you're just driving in the night light, the city skyline following you. Set target enemy reference. Well, if we're gonna set the target enemy reference, what does that mean, guys? What do we do here? Right? We're obviously going to want to pass in. Well, I got to use the restroom. I'll be right back. You! You! What are you looking at? Huh? What are you looking at, chat? Huh? Who you think you are? You think you got this, huh? You'd be right. Sorry, I shouldn't scream in the mic. I shouldn't scream in the mic, guys. I probably scared a lot of people. Like, oh! What, this screen? Look at that handsome face, dude. Look at the clueless eyes. Just the void emotion. It's just like, oh. All right. So in here, we're going to want to pass in a... Right. Enemy character. Let us go. Yes, I know. I have to add this to the header file, bro. You guys are in this stream, dude? You guys are in this stream? Look at this guy. He thinks he can wear my hat and be as cool as me? I got glasses too now, bro. What? What? Hmm?
And then like, I'm so cool. I got glasses now too, guys. I'm cool.
But yo, shout out, man. Shout out to that guy. Good luck to him and his game. I'm just joking. Yeah, I don't care if you guys want to go hang out in other streams. That's perfectly fine. But if you're here chilling, I appreciate you. But I do think Safe got mad because I told him to brush his teeth. He's like, here, no one tells me to brush my teeth. Do not be ashamed of the visuals. Hey, man. At the end of the day, whatever you're making what you like. Right? That's all that matters. Want to test builds in my FPS concepts and level test design, but I'm having problems with player collision that makes me go very slow. There's a procrastination of a racing game I was working on with a brilliant idea nobody has done before. Now I do procrastination of projects with other projects. That's true. But you know what that means? Right? That means it's because it's something hard. It's something different. But you also need to realize that a lot of the games that are out, you know, designers have made almost every single game out there. Some of the stuff we don't see is because they test. So you never know. The idea could have been made before, but it was either not fun or hard to make. So they had to switch. So what, am I cool now, guys? Are you going to hang out with me because I got glasses on? Right? Right? I feel so freaking cool right now, guys. Like, yeah, my name's Paul, dude. Come in here and hang out. What's up, baby? That's how I drink my water. Is that sophisticated for you guys like this? Water. That's enough of the shenanigans. I'm getting water everywhere. Set target enemy reference. But yeah, man, what you got to do is you got to push through that procrastination. When you hit a hard part or a hard snag in your game, just keep working on it. Or you can, honestly, your route might be a good one, where you're just switching between projects whenever you get bored with one. That's probably a good idea. Just saying. But on the Prowl widget, when we release, we have our player reference, right? We're going to set enemy target here. Right? So, the next thing we have to do where am I setting the position here in particularly? So we don't have our enemy reference here per se. We have it in the native tick, which is pretty bad that we're getting a reference every time we tick, right? This is a no bueno. This is a no bueno moment. This is a no bueno, right? That's a no bueno. That's a no bueno. So we'll have to switch this to something else because we're getting an enemy reference every tick. That's just dumb. I guess getting the number isn't dumb every tick. It's like, we might have to. I have to figure out how to do this, refactor this at some point, because this is a no-go here, guys. But the thing is that every tick we want to make sure whatever character is closest to us is the one that we're attacking. We'll figure it out, but for now we're going to work like this. However, I'm going to have to find a way to get a reference to this. So we're actually going to just put it here. Right? And then we're going to go like this. Result is assignment, not a blah blah blah. We're going to assign that to that. Then we're going to see if this even exists. Then we're going to come into here. Set target enemy reference. Enemy reference. Then we're going to not only set the reference, but that's it. That's it. That's all we have to do. What am I thinking? What am I thinking, eh? What am I thinking? So, when Prowl exits, when we exit the Prowl, we're going to want to... What the heck? Didn't I do the thing? We're just gonna say here is not used. I wonder if that's gonna be a warning, but we're gonna just see if we're passing, if we have that right information, right? What's the issue? What's the issue? Circular dependency detected. Na-na-na-na. Which means, what is this? Base platform game includes required. See, we have too many. This one has, so we have the base character. We don't need any of the other characters, I'm assuming. Right? And we'll keep that in there for now. Let's try doing this again. Let's try doing it again. See if we get the circular dependency. What does it say? Syntax error identified. My enemy character. Yes, I know. Interesting. Interesting. Chase Lee's just in here. He's like, oh my god, we'll use blueprints. Blueprints. Add forward declaration. I've never heard of that. Oh, they're right here. Whatever. Let's see if the forward declaration works. This is the main issue. It's nothing to do with this. Don't lie, Chase Lee. You know you just want to see me. You want to see me use BPs. That's what it is. Hey, it worked. Okay, let's see what we got here. And we do have the right enemy, so that's good to see. No! No! That's interesting. Now it's throwing an error because this isn't in here, but I don't want to set a reference every single tick. That just seems like low tier stuff. Because you're better. That's darn right. You're darn tootin' there, mister. You're darn tootin'. And actually, I wouldn't say anyone is better. It's about who you prefer, man. Everyone's got their own kick, their own personality, right? But I appreciate you saying I'm better. So there's nothing inside this list. I find that hard to believe. I'm gonna restart it. Freaking Unreal, always doing this. Yeah, we're going to have to probably make this work with multi-stuff, had them remove themselves when they're taken out. But that'll all come once we actually get the animations and all that in. Then we can really worry about all this other stuff. Na 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 na. So we know that in particular is working. We're gonna have to recompile when we get in. We know we're getting the right information. The issue now is apparently with how we are something, because this is still in the array. I never remove this. I never remove it. So I'm wondering, why is it removing on touch end? They add themselves when they're in the vicinity, I believe. Let's organize this a little bit cleaner. Ooh, my headset died. That means I gotta get off soon, boys. Y'all already broke my heart today. Made me feel betrayed and hurt. Betrayed and hurt. I can't believe you guys. Cannot believe you guys. Yeah, Buenos. Just tell Safe I don't feel safe around him anymore. You hurt my feelings. My feelings are officially hurt. Can't believe this, man. But yeah, as you can see, we're no longer getting the issue. So it must have to do with just randomly. I wonder why that is. There's got to be some weird specific. Oh, look who's here. Safe. Safe's in here. Look at him. Buenos ratted you out, dude. What do I see here, bro? Cheating on me, dude. We are friends, dog. Someone time him out. You left me, man. And for what? For a guy with glasses? I can wear glasses. I'm cool too, dude. I swear, look. I'm cool. I got glasses. He's not my boyfriend, man. That's weird, man. That's weird, dude. Come on. That's weird. But I got glasses and I'm cool as well, guys. I'm cool too, dude. I'm cool too, okay? Look at this. You see anyone wearing glasses like this, bro? I don't think so. That's a rom. Dude, it's a glass stash, bro. That's how my nostrils see in the sunlight, dude. Oh, yeah. I'm also cool. Really cool. Man, that's haram. Yeah, that's haram, dude. How dare you? But what about this, guys? Is this a cool new look for me on the channel? Does this make you want to subscribe? Because if you're not subscribed, you should click that button. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. Haram level 2. Man, I gotta take a number 2. I'll tell you what. Yeah, it's cool. Thank you, dude. I agree. No one's worn them like this before, chat. Y'all never thought about doing it like this. And if I really felt cool, I'd go like this. Nah, that's not cool. This is cool right here. Now I got I got a chin strap made from glasses, bro. I don't have a third pair. I got a hat. Damn. Come on. Make me look cool. Stupid glasses. That's why I don't use those ones. Watch these glasses work. Hey. Hey, it went down. It went down. I have eyes on the bottom of my chin. I'm rubbing my eyes, so recognize. Happy people said, want to chill with me, and they want to hang out with your friend Paul. At Vector 3D. Now I have a ton of wires surrounding me. I gotta really plug my headset in. You should collab. Why does everyone want to make collabs? Want me to collab with other people, dude? I'm a lone freaking lion, a lone tiger, dude. Meow 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 meow. I got a cat singing right now, dude. Zesty. Leap position. We take this. Get actor position. Location. And then we say target enemy. Get actor location. Actor location. Right? Actually, we have to use leap position. What am I doing? What is this V8 inter? Yeah. I was watching him too. Yeah, you were watching us. He was at least he was watching me too, dude. At least he was watching me too. Okay? Go back in the brush. Don't you talk to him that way, Safe. It's all right, Al. I got you. Game dev over YouTube. 100%, bro. I'm already in the brush. I was watching him too. Yeah, he was watching me too. Big difference, okay? You were ignoring me. You weren't paying attention to me. You were like, hey, man, dude. Hey, bro, what's crack-a-lackin'? And I was over here just minding my own little beeswax, living in my own world. And then, you know, Bueno showed me what you were up to, dude. Yeah, don't talk. He is our cousin. Safe. Yeah, Ninja Turtles are pretty cool. What's your guys' favorite Ninja Turtle? Leonardo's mine. Yeah, he was showing the other stream, man. He just wanted to show how you were cheating on me. Look at all of his freaking, look at all the posts, dude. This is ridiculous. Real Madrid, the GOAT, the GOATs. What are you even saying in here, Safe? North Rock Studios. So what, I make studios? Everyone wants to be a studio now? I dig the vibe. I dig the vibe, man. Michelangelo. Yeah, Michelangelo's cool. He was goofy. Leonardo. Safe. I'm not Bean. Yeah, man. He's just saying Real Madrid, Real Madrid. Like, who's this guy? Who's this guy, bro? Who is safe, dude? Who is safe anymore? I don't feel safe with him. I don't. I really don't feel safe with you. All right, what's going on here? We got our current, our target. Boom, boom. Oh, that's why we have get world 2 times. All right, then we want to set actor location to the leap position. Football. 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 It's all about football. Oh, we gotta actually compile. So we're gonna have an issue with the jump, guaranteed. The jump is for when you have no one around you, you'll jump. So this is gonna be a lot more difficult. America, football. You slice, dude. Why are you being so aggressive? First you yell at Al in the brush. And then you talk that way. You talk that way to Chase. Yeah. This guy's... Don't make me put on the glasses and turn into the Regulator Raw. Regulator Raw. No! He chopped them into 2 pieces! Safe's in here like, oh my god, man, this guy. Sports fans are aggressive. I think it's a fact of life. You're 100% completely right. You are. Let's turn off jump for a second. He's laughing so hard right now. You're being aggressive. Why isn't it linearly interpolating? I set the position, didn't I? I must have not have. I must have not have set the position. Or else. Or else. Can you guys stop screaming at each other? Oh my god. He turned Al into an omelet sandwich. Buenos, how could you do this? I will make you into an egg. What is up with you guys, man? Y'all are crazy today. We got to figure out why we're not lerping. I think it's because it's called once. But let's go ahead and compile and check this. Too late. I ate you. Make you. Yeah, everyone wants to eat each other. I will cook you alive. Dude, y'all just, hey. Don't get angry. Just listen to this beat, dude. Meow, meow, meow. Meow, 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 meow. You know what it could be is that this... No, I mean, we have it. Ba, 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 ba. Ba, 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 ba. Bum, bum, ba-ba-dum, bum, ba-ba-dum, bum, ba-ba-dum, bum. That's why you ate him? You're not supposed to eat people, Safe. I've told you this thousands of times. Just dance, Safe. Dance instead, man. He's not jumping towards him. It's making me angry. Why isn't he leaping towards him right now? I'm confused. Maybe I need to set a timeline or something. Yeah, it was very nostalgic. It was back in simpler times, man. And just because it was so nostalgic, we're gonna bump it again, dude. Was that 136? Right here. We're playing it again, guys. Hey, what's up, Ox? Welcome to the stream, bro. So I think the reason it's not happening is because we don't have, like, it's getting called once. It's getting called once. It's not being iterated over. So we need to set up a timeline that essentially goes from point A to point B. I'm thinking. Right? . You work. Yeah, it's fine, man. You do your thing, guys. You guys are free to do whatever you want. Whenever I get like that, I'm messing around. I don't care. If y'all don't want to hang out, that's fine. The fact that they added yeah, I need to make an F timeline. Right? It's fun eating. So you need to just stop eating people and just dance, man. Dance to the music, bro. Bump bump bum bum bump bum bump bum bump 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 bump. Slide curve floats. He will get revenge. No, he won't, dude. Because he already has it, bro. He's already got his vengeance. He's sending the Bible thumper after you, brother. The Bible thumper. What'd you get for dinner, Chase? What are you eating, bro? I better hear you eating a steak with some mashed taters and gravy with some maybe corn. With some corn on the side, bro. Broccoli. Some type of veggie, right? That's some good eating. It's good eating. I'm trying to figure out where I used the timeline last. Do you guys remember where I used the timeline last? Oh, you got fish and chips again? What is it, tilapia? They get you the tilapia, brother? Is that what you're eating, the tilapia? Ready, the Bible Thumpomatic 7000. Bang! Bible Thumpomatic 7000. With over 7,000 iterations, we have finally concluded. What was the thing that you did? What is the thing? It's called Poop Buenos out. Buenos, you gonna let this guy talk to you this way in my chat, man? Man, I am really, you're free from my intestines. Is this what I want people talking about in my chat? I pooped him out. No, I pooped him out. I ate him first. We ate each other at the same time. We pooped each other out, and then, yeah. You guys just calm down, safe. Calm down, safe. It's okay. Take a breather. I know you got your All that energy is lunging out of you right now. Attack, leap. Attack, leap. That's what we could do. Well, all this stuff is going to be done regardless. Right? This is going to be rather difficult figuring out this stuff, guys. Right. This doesn't work. Probably needs to be on a timeline. I'm going to go for now and eat my food. I will return soon. All right, Chase. Enjoy your food, my man. Penguin slap. Penguins are pretty cool. But not as cool as beluga whales. Beluga whales are pretty cool, dude. Ah, man, we're going to have to figure out a way to do this. We have the leap position pretty much figured out. Right? Dinosaur with 500 teeth. I'm not saying that. This is ridiculous. You should be ashamed of yourself, Safe. Furthermore, the people who made that animal should be ashamed, or named it at least. Yeah. I'm going to turn down the music a bit. Time to think. With my brain. With my brain. Actually, we'll keep that there. I might delete that at some point. But there's a lot of... We still got to fix that. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Yeah, it can be made constant. Don't make constant. Don't make constant. We might get rid of the sprint altogether. This is a big issue. We're not moving. Bum ba da bum ba ba dum ba 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 bum bum. Do you like the dino? The dinosaur looks cool, but I don't like the name. Yeah. Oh, you know what it is? It's because it's out of range. It's out of range, so we're gonna have to unadd the bad boy. My enemy character. Where's my enemy character? My enemy character. CPP. Overlap begin. Overlap end. Yeah, I mean we remove from the list. So we're going to have to put this in a nested loop. We're going to have to say if the game mode does not equal or is greater or equal to 0. I guess, I mean, if it's greater than 0, right? We don't want it equaling. Then we can do all this stuff. Man, check out the link I sent you. What link? Look at that. Look at that handsome gentleman right there, guys. Make sure to click the like button, right? Make sure to click the like button, boys. Thank you, Save. That's a big heart for you, bro. And a pizza emoji. Speaking of pizza, remember, there's some pizza. I might need to eat some pizza here in a bit. That's no secret. By the way, guys, if you haven't checked out a good friend of mine, his name is Solomon. He's an excellent... Check out this guy. He's making a great game. He's actually streaming on Twitch right now, too. So if you want to go check him out, go check him out. Aren't you supposed to be fasting? I'm fasting, intermediate fasting. Intermediate fasting. Oh, yeah, safe. Aren't you supposed to be fasting, bro? You out here eating. You out here eating, brother. By the way, what's up, Kotagi? How's it going, man? How's it going, my friend? So, if we have... Sorry, greater than 0. Right? No pointer. Really? That can really be replaced? I guess at that point it's because it's null. But the fast finished. It's night in the Middle East, so the feast is on. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah, I knew that was going to give me an issue. Don't ever listen to Ryder. I thought to myself, hey, if Ryder's saying I can do it, maybe I can. Oh. Can't do that. Sorry, what am I doing? I want to see if the enemy list.num. So I should say if top num. Actually, we'll just say num. Dot num. What am I doing? I'm not typing fast. Dot num. And then we can throw this in here. Get rid of that. Man, the feast happened 4 hours ago. It's now chill, but I can eat if I want. What are you gonna eat? What are you gonna eat, bro? Actually, don't talk about what you're gonna eat, cause I haven't started until 1 o'clock, dude. Set canvas slot to this, that, and yada yada. So apparently, if we're not in the range, we should be fine. Oh, also, yeah, we do have that working in our advantage. That's why. It removes itself. And we're no longer getting the issue. So that's good news. Let's go into test enemy. We're no longer getting kicked out of the game. Yep. Oh. It's still saying visible. So the issue is that it's saying we have an enemy reference. That's interesting. If the number is greater than 0, if it's 0, it should, if it has one element in it. So that means this guy didn't completely. It's kind of hard. Literally 1,626. So this is 0, 0. So this is always going to be above that, naturally. So do I need to get this before I do all that? That's what it looks like the case will be. What you can eat, but you're not hungry? All right. Let's go ahead and get the top number here prior to all this and essentially say if the top num is greater so if this is not less than 0. Looks like top. I might have to dereference. Okay, top num equals 0, which means we should be playing. Right, so we can go over this. Oh. Okay, so we're skipping through. Honestly, we should be doing this on event and tick. We should check to see if this is full, and if it's full, then we would Yeah, we should do that here, huh? Let's refactor this a little bit. It's kind of placed poorly. I can eat, but I'm not hungry. Well, that's just excellente for you, brother. I want to eat, and I am hungry, but I can't eat, so I'm sad. So I am sad. So we're going to get the local... Bam, 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 bam. So we're going to say if this is less than 0, then we're not going to run this. And then if we have an enemy reference. So if this does not equal a null pointer, then we'll get this and... actually, we can't do this here. What is going on with my brain? It's because I haven't eaten. We can't do this here. Because we're going to need this every literal tick to make sure that we're doing things correctly. So when we're in prowl mode, we want to do this. We want to set this to true, but only if we have a enemy reference, right? And we also want to set canvas slot position to the lock on image. We also want to pass in the character, which is just going to be the enemy ref, and that's it. We don't want an offset. Oh, the target canvas slot, we don't want to. So now this should... Yo, what's up, Chase? Welcome back, bro. So we never get here. I mean, we set the target enemy reference like we typically do. Let's see if this is even popping off. It is. Oh, if it's greater than 0. What am I thinking, chat? How's the fish and chips, man? You're like me. You eat fast. I'll eat food like no one's business, bro. I could put down plates. I eat too much food. I feel it. How are the fries, bro? Were they crispy? Were they extra crispy? Yeah, what's going on here? Ah, man. Too crispy? I've never heard them being too crispy before, bro. I love my fries extra crispy. Extra crispy for me. All right, so now we're doing all the things. Cool. So we can get rid of that, do this, press play. And we're not getting an error anymore. All right, let's try that again, but let's... We're going to UE log this because I don't want to particularly shut the... I don't want everything to just shut down to go into debug mode. Right? This is an int, so it's a D. It's so hot in my room right now. Why don't you get a fan, dude? Okay, so it's -1 if we don't have anything. And it doesn't go through, which I anticipated, but I just don't want to shut this down every time I do this. So we're constantly checking this number. No money. You don't live by a river or any of that either. That's the hard part. Oh, man. Oh, don't want to hurt my shoulder again. So now we just have to make it so when we are jumping, there's a timeline played. Because I think the primary issue is that since this is only called once, where is it? Prowl, exit. It doesn't help that he chopped you in half. I know, man. All that food you just ate disappeared. You really need to have a discussion with that guy. No, he will lick me. I really want to get this prowl system done, or this prowl mechanic, so I can make a devlog video. But it doesn't release. Does not release. And maybe when we go into Prowl, we pull things back. You're half the man you once were. Al, you're going to be an excellent streamer, man. You have such a great personality. You're so funny. I'm being serious when I say that, man. But yes, there's now 2 chase. True. Very true. So that's not even being called. Oh, that's why. That's why. I think you'll get over the shyness. You'll get over the shyness. I'm shy. And I kind of got over it. I started acting like a goofball the more I got comfortable with hanging out with y'all and just being in front of a camera and talking. It'll come with time, man. And there's still times where I'm just kind of really shy. I don't feel like talking. But I think you'll do great, man. Yeah, we're gonna have to work on a ton of the jumping soon here, like all the wall jumping and stuff like that, just to make it feel a little bit cleaner. As well as probably the jumping. Turn up the gravity a bit so the character falls a little bit more, add some squishing, stuff like that. Oh, there's a long road ahead of us, guys. There's a long road. Right now it's moving slow here on the channel. No one loves me anymore. Chase Lee with the 5,000th time subbing to the channel. Thank you so much, brother. But that is a sign that I guess my alerts aren't just working at all, dude. My alerts just aren't working. That's big sad. Everything always breaks for me, dude. Let's see. So we're definitely getting to this. But why aren't we lerping or leaping? I'm thinking we need a timeline. And quite frankly, I forgot how to set up a timeline. Was it you need an F timeline? I know it's not in there. I know it's not in the resource. Maybe it's in the enemy? Yeah, we get the character material. That's how we do the base player controller, base user widget, health component. No way, Jose. The main character CPP. Yeah, we just have an on possess event. My enemy character. So when are you gonna start streaming, man? Bill Nye the Science Guy. Bill Nye be Superfly. Unlike me, does not have sty and eye. Make me want to cry. We've already done all that. So is literally no one working on their projects at the moment? How's your project going, Al? I could have sworn that I had a script in here that does... Where am I? I don't have... Not that I know of. Main character, health, heart, base user widget. It has to be on my character. Not my enemy character, but my actual character. I think I'm going to start streaming my devlog on Friday to Sunday. Nice! And it's just, what is it, random devlog? Or are you still working on, you're working on fragments of yesterday, I think it's called? Move. It's nothing in here as a timeline. Okay, I guess we gotta make one. But I keep forgetting how to do it. They'll be for your side game. Bro, that's becoming your new... that's your main game now, dude. If you're working on it more, it's your main game, in my opinion. Ah, that's where I did it. So it is in the health component, I think. Yeah, this is where I did it, boys. Oh, I try to. No, I work on fragments of yesterday's every day. So if you work on that every day, that's your main project, right? What's your side project? Sheesh. Tired, boys, tired. Trying to figure out how I am calling this. So change materials tint is the a sword dueling game I'm working on. That sounds fun. That's going to be hard though. Because I'll be real with you, Chad, I think some of the hardest combat mechanics you can work on is melee. I mean, some people have a hard time drawing two characters interacting with each other. Right? So imagine what it's like programming that. Shooting something, you just cast a ray, spawn blood there, do damage. You know, of course there's a lot more that goes into it, but there's just, you have to draw like a literal connection. You have to have more weight in what you do, I think. From my experience so far. I could be ignorant in saying that, but, you know, who knows? TL color switch. So up in here we have an updated timeline where we bind the U function. All right, so I'm gonna have to set up something similar. Tired all the time, chat. You found a asset pack that gives you a huge head start. That's good. That is great. A blueprint spawnable component. That means I can make it with the blueprints, I'm assuming. So we have this. We have this. Where is our... We have our U curve float, which we'll need to interpret between the timeline. So we have our timeline, TL color switch. We have this, and then we have these. So we have a float and then an event. Judah and Friends 2, what do you think? Dude, I'm sorry, but the Sonic like synthwave songs are the best. The sequel? Well, we'll see if that happens. We gotta get this game started first. Then we gotta get Line of Judah. I'd like to make, what's it called, a TL, a live service game, but who knows? I'm not gonna make money off of it, I don't think. Just because I don't want to charge for it. You listen to Outlast Chase music? Well, you gotta listen to that stuff if you're making a horror game. Trying to get into the mood. I can't dive into that. That's a big no-go for me, bro. So we gotta make a U-curve float. Oh. So we have a wall slide timer. We need a curve float. Leap curve. Float curve. Make this a U property so we can, you know, add it from anywhere. Was it read only? And if we're looking at my health component, we have a curve float. We do have the collar, but we're not going to need a collar. Because this collar it's doing things. It's doing things, boys. Health component. We have this. On the setup, Chase Lee Studios. Yeah, everyone wants to call their place studios now. Everyone wants to call their spot studios now.
And never lose a creative moment. Try Lightroom today.
It's all right. I'm going to make a function for this. Sorry. I've had mine since 2017. 2017, up in a bing. Like I said, dude, you're fine. You could take, you know, try to take the studios. It's fine. I obviously thought of it first, but you know, despite like Gearbox and all that, right? It was all me. I'm joking, by the way. If some people in here can't take obvious sarcasm. So is your name actually Chase Lee? I don't think it is. So in here, we're going to want to do a couple of things. We're going to want to bind update timeline, which is here, the float. So, was it curve? Honestly, I need to put TL in front of all these. I think I did. TL, leap attack setup, event leap attack, prowl attack. Let's get the curve situated. What's going on here? Is not implemented? What do you mean? It's right here, you freaker. You freak frock. It's just Chase, but people started calling me Chase Lee when I made the account Chase Lee 18, so I rolled with it. True. You should have said so I ran with it. What is going on with me today, guys? I'm just not feeling it. I am not feeling it. TL. So in my health component, in my setup, we're going to use the update timeline to bind a U function. TL event we're going to put a name there. TL Leap attack curve. I don't think we do that. We finish timeline. We have the finish, and then we have that. Oh, so the float gets placed on something. This is just a timeline event too. We'll put a function here. You too? True. Very true. We're gonna bind a U function to this as well, I believe. Then we want to add an interp float. We want to TL, wait. Do we have to color switch? Where is this at? I have my color curve. Oh, you know what it is? Is we have a... Let's see. TL color switch. Where is that at? TL color switch. So we do have a timeline. TL leap attack F timeline dot what is it? Bind F curve or curve set float curve. I believe it's set float curve. No, add interp float. We're gonna run through all these. Set timeline finish function. And that's going to be on the same one. TL prowl attack dot all right, but all of these have functions already. They have a finish timeline, an update timeline. Update timeline. Interesting. Update timeline. It's just this. Oh. If on timeline floats. Okay, so we bind the function here to this, and then it binds that to this. Okay. So we need to make some functions. Move value. U function. What should we call this, chat? Oh yeah, we should just put this on leap attack. Obviously, we want to start this though on possession. Probably not possession, maybe get begin play. Set up, leap. Leap attack set up. That's going to set up all the timeline stuff. I guess you need to make some enemy big boss and a lot of realistic water if your PC not potato. Dude, my PC not potato, bro. There's going to be big amounts of water. Honestly, there's not. So the issue here is that I'm making a game for the mobile devices. So I'm working in a limited... at a limitation. Right? And this is good for the future because one day it'll be nice to work without feeling like there's so many weights on you. I'm going to use the restroom. I'll be right back. Raleigh never returned. That's what I hear whenever I come back and I see that. Yes, that Chase Lee boss. You want the Chase Lee boss, dude? For now, we just get to work on all the fun little fighting mechanics, and it's going to be hard because there's a lot that's going to be involved with it, and there's going to be different types of attacks and stuff like that, so. It's not going to be just bumping into someone and the game ends. So, where did I set up my thing? Start attack. Do I need to name this value? Probably. I wish I have a cat with potato and some ketchup and Coca-Cola. So delicious, cat. Dude, I love me my cats. Don't be like that to the cat, alright? Be nice to the cat. By the way, guys, if you're chilling out in here, make sure to click that sub button, man. All of the support helps. Right? If you're on Twitter, click the follow button, man. It does help. So this is going to call the timeline, I believe. Or is it? So we need our curve, add interp float, curve, update timeline. Let's just go to the TL, whatever. Leap float curve, TL attack curve. Let's go over here. So this is actually gonna be the curve, leap float curve, and then TL leap attack curve. And then we can do start attack here. Start attack, start leap attack. But I believe what we do the F name. We do an F name to do that. We do the F name. We do the F name. What's going on here? Update timeline. We have it. What is it that we've called it? Start leap attack. Your streams always make me laugh and smile. Do they? You being serious? Because if so, I appreciate it. If not, stop trolling me, man. You're breaking my heart here, dude. You're breaking my heart here, brother. So now we have to have a function that plays when we end. New function. And I guess this will be helpful later on because I'll be real with you guys. We're not going to call any end leap. There's like, you know, I don't feel like there's anything here or in here that I'm going to do. Besides just have a void. But we could have something later that we can just superimpose in there. You know, I don't get it. I'm implementing these things, but they're stopping to work. End leap attack. End leap attack. Whatever. It's lying, obviously. Raleigh is a wild man. Thank you. I'm so wild. I'm wild at the beginning of the stream. Towards the end, I calm down because this is when I get hungry. This is where I get hungry. They do? Okay, good. I thought you were going to troll me. Man. Because you're always trolling me, dude. Always breaking my heart, bro. I don't know. How did we call this in the last one? Maybe it's on her? No. Broadcast, damage health, TL, color switch. Start. Play from start. So we want to play from start. Attack leap, which we don't need. Right? We need this all in the start, leap, attack. That's where we need it. Bro, is Cat so beautiful like you, dude? I love you, man. Keep going. Thank you, bro. I need the inspiration right now. I'm feeling a little down in the dumps. It'd be rough out here sometimes. Trying to forward progress, do stuff, but at the end of the day, like, it feels nice getting on knowing that maybe I'm helping maybe some of you guys get through some of those feelings as well. Are you going to make channel gaming and story games? So on my Discord, I typically do gaming streams. I don't game on here per se. I don't really like making gaming content. I feel like it's out of my, I mean, not really. Cause you know, I get ratty sometimes, you know, that's fine. But you know, it's just not my thing. There's too much people in it. So I typically stream in the Discord when I play games. So on end leap attack, we're really not doing anything, but on the attack leap is we're literally just saying start. TL prowl attack dot start. Play from start. Have you played Noita? Is it on Steam? Noita. I could possibly, though, do some more. Boom, boom. Oh, wow, this looks cool. I love when people do, like, what is this, like, pixel, like, procedurally generated pixels. I always think that's so cool. I don't even know how people go about doing this. Look at that. Completely changes the way, you know, you interact with the level. Excellent, excellent idea to go this route. Aw, poor little guy. I'll have to try this out. but I'm broke. Oh, you play CSGO? You mean CS2? I used to play that a lot too. I used to play that too, my man. I used to play it a lot too. But then I started doing this and I was like, I can't play. I can't be playing games like that. Especially like that. Those games get me angry. And I don't want to be cursing, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to be cursing, bro. No cursing. No cursing, my friend. I guess that's why. Set timeline finish function in here. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. What's your guys' favorite game right now? Mine. You know what mine is? FF7 Rebirth. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Why aren't you accepting? That's why. I could have looked if I just done this. I might stream this. Second thought, the pixel generation might slow down with my avatar. It's random and challenging though, so I think it might be fun to stream. Yeah, my biggest suggestion to you, if you're going to do that, make sure to look at what games are big right now and try to stick to those. Some people think like, oh, if I play in these little niche things, it'll get me more coverage. When in reality, you know, those people are only watching you for that game. And anytime you play anything outside of that game, they're not going to watch you. So you got to find a game that's big, play it, stick to it, gather an audience, get that audience to love and adore you. And then once that occurs, then you can go around and play whatever you want. You know? But to each their own, if that's what you want to do. That's my best advice, because I was doing semi-decent in it when I tried to do it. I used to get like 50 people in the stream back in the day. But that's when I was like that's just when I had I was very angry back then and had no, what's it called? I had no, everything I said was boom, straightforward. I didn't speak with intellect. I was a very angry person. 50 people, angry Raleigh? No, that was when I was playing Grand Theft Auto a lot online. So I wasn't angry Raleigh. I was happy Raleigh. The current frame files atomics found are current different than compiled content. You may specify it manually. That's a little interesting. What is going on with my project, dude? Ever since we excluded WriterLink from here, I've been getting these issues a whole lot. Yeah, I used to play GTA back in the day. I got bored of it, though. It wasn't good to play for people, man. You know, it's just like selling drugs in that game. I don't know. Right? That was my feelings on the subject. Are you kidding? The current framework. What is going on? There's no issues. I guarantee you I gotta just clean and rebuild. The closest you got was Sly Cooper. Sly Cooper's pretty dope though. I'm not gonna lie, bros. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Sly Cooper's pretty good game. Bow, 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 no, 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 no. Now I just got to rebuild this and hope that everything works. Everything works. Random breakage. Might have to delete intermediate build. I haven't seen that before. You can select your own. I might get off here in the next couple of minutes. Just want to see if this is what was necessary to... Oh, you know what else? We don't have a float involved in any of this. So we need to add a float curve. And on top of that, we need to go into the leap attack. Or the... Was it start leap attack? Up here. Like, I just want to make money to my mom proud like my dad died. And, oh man, I'm so sorry to hear that. She will be proud of you one day, buddy. Just keep up the hard work. And you'll do great. I promise you that. Just keep your head held high, man. Just continue to work as hard as you possibly can, as much as you can, and you will succeed. Keep dreaming big, man. Don't let them tell you to minimize when all you feel like you want to do is maximize. Yeah, same. Wishing you all the luck in the world, man. May God bless you, my friend. Me? Get some... I need some vitamin freaking D, dude, because I never go outside. I need the sunlight. Thanks, guys. I keep sun is mean when I look at it. It's burning your face. Thanks, guys. I keep for all on Discord server. I'm gonna keep up until going to work on Ubisoft game. I guess he's gonna give me crap work, haha. No. And try to learn not to curse. A lot of the professionals in the field don't curse too much from my experience. Yeah, I know. Boom, 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 boom. We go from there to 1. All right. What is going on? So it looks like it's taking a dump here at adding the interp float. Spirally. Well, I'm Scottish, so maybe. Chase Lee is a vampire. Dude, I got the garlic just in case. Right? Got the garlic just in case. Throw it in his face. Hurt color value. We got the value. Right. Maybe it's because I'm using something else. I don't know. I think we got everything set up. So anytime he gets hurt or healed, he gets hurt. We'll have to fix that. I mean, I'm doing this right from the looks of it. Float event, F linear color. We got the float, We got that in here as well. We got a F time handler. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Is it because of that? Do we not want to have that? I guess we don't want to have a reference to the timeline. This is a timeline, but it's a timer handler, which is interesting. UE5 crashed on me again. It's always crashing. I'm immune to garlic. Bro, don't lie. Hey man, when you growing up, what gonna work well? I work on doctor and I'm on the school who learn how code. So I learned how to code by just doing it. Yeah, 5 crashes. I haven't had it crash on me too much. It's a lot of like rebuilding the solution, which is annoying. It just crashes. Yeah, I don't know how to fix that, man. What's your gear look like? Your PC. Your PC. So the only thing I can see is that the timeline I had was a pointer. That could have been an issue. I believe that's how it is on here too. Interesting. I sent a leak. Do you see this guy? Do you look at him? He doesn't even have the right one liked. Why can't I like this one, huh? He's like, I made it a little bigger. See, number 2, because you're smaller than that. You're going to do live streams, huh? Well, let us know when you do. Maybe we'll pop by and say hi. Hey, and it works now. We're not getting any errors. Awesome. So that was the issue. Timelines are not meant to be reference. And it still doesn't work. No! No! I did all that work for nothing. Bro. Bro. Let's go here and then here. Let's just play. Hop in. Play. Which means this doesn't have a play from start. So let's do, let's remove this and do some other stuff. Let's do this. Let's check this. But after this, guys, I'm going to close the stream. So yeah, that's not even called. So it's not an issue with the timeline. The timeline's not being called. BP's blueprints. Oh, you know what it is? Do we have the... we didn't save that last time, did we? I didn't even... Okay, I didn't make it. Sweet. Now it's being called. Hey, check it out. Now we're stuck in each other, but hey, it works now. We're just doing it way too quick. So, with that being said, I'm going to work on this more, guys, but off stream, I need to go get myself something to eat. I love all of you guys. Thank you all so much for being here, for just being great friends and chilling out. Aox, best luck to you, man, in your work. Same goes to you, Chase, Lee, Owl, Safe, everyone that showed up. To all the people just lurking, hanging out, I love you too. Don't think I don't. But if you guys haven't already, make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to this channel. All the help helps, right? We're indie developer studio, so... Right. Anyways, guys, I'm going to bounce. God bless, and Jesus loves you. Oh, he do. Bye, everyone.